MG RV8 1993 to 1995. Subsequent to the launch of the Mazda MX-5 in 1989, British Motor Heritage, by then owned by Rover Group, had placed the MGB body shell back in production to serve the MGB restoration market. The success of the MX-5 had given Rover confidence that the market for two-seater roadsters had re-emerged, and the decision was taken in 1991 to create an updated MGB model. The suspension was only slightly updated, sharing the leaf spring rear of the MGB. The boot lid and doors were shared with the original car, as were the rear drum brakes. The engine was the 3.9-liter version of the aluminium Rover V8, similar to the one previously used in the MGB GT V8. A limited slip differential was also fitted. The MG RV8 debuted at the British International Motor Show in October 1992. The British Motor Heritage manufactured body shell was painted at Rover's Cowley plant before final assembly at Cowley, where the cars were hand-built in a separate unit, the LVA. The interior featured veneered burr elm woodwork and Connolly leather. The engine produced 190 bhp, 142 kilowatts, at 4,750 revolutions per minute, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, in 5.9 seconds. Largely due to the rear drum brakes and rear leaf springs, the RV8 was not popular with road testers. The high price of the car put it in direct competition with contemporary rivals from specialist manufacturers such as TVR, which offered modern technology and a more up-to-date driving experience. A large proportion of the limited MG RV8 production went to Japan. 1,579 of the 1,983 produced. 330 RV8s were sold initially in the UK. Several hundred, possibly as many as 700, of these cars were re-imported back to the UK and also Australia between 2000 and 2010, with a peak number of 485 registered at the DVLA in the UK. Several sources consider this a continuation of the MGB model. Title: MG RV8, The Manufacturing Story by Allen and Wilder, 2011, published by the MG Car Club Limited.